Tired of endless channel surfing and sky-high cable bills? Today, we're putting YouTube TV and Dish Network head-to-head, dissecting everything from channel lineups to DVR features, helping you decide which reigns supreme in the streaming wars. First, the channels. YouTube TV boasts a robust selection, often including major networks, popular cable channels like ESPN, and local broadcast stations. Dish Network, on the other hand, shines with its deep library of specialty channels and premium movie packages, often requiring extra fees on YouTube TV. Next, let's talk DVR. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage, letting you record virtually everything for 9 months. The interface is clean and modern. Dish Network's Hopper DVR is a powerful box with whole home capabilities and voice control, but storage is limited by the model you choose. Streaming quality is key. YouTube TV streams smoothly in HD, and sometimes even 4K, assuming you have a solid internet connection. Dish Network's picture quality can be affected by weather, sometimes leading to pixelation or signal loss. Now, the bottom line. Pricing. YouTube TV generally has a straightforward monthly fee, while Dish Network often requires contracts and additional equipment fees. So, which is best? YouTube TV offers a streamlined experience with a great channel selection and unlimited DVR. Dish Network appeals to those wanting niche channels and don't mind commitments. Ultimately, the winner depends on your viewing habits and budget.